Right, so I'm super excited to show you guys this. I had something made for Silas. And I think it's going to be pretty awesome. He's going to like it. Shout out to my boy Caleb Huff. His Ender Pro 3D printer. This came out. Looks super nice.
No, you're going to throw something at me.
It's a wand. Alright, so that was the Huntsville Havoc game. We've made it through to the end. This is pretty fun. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. They won 5-0. Because they scored 5 goals, they gave out what is this? Crazy bread or whatever? Bread twist from Domino's. So of course everybody grabbed one of those. And I know, I saw that. There were 2 really good fights, like pulled the gas helmet off. 2-piece type fights. Okay, so we got in there and they gave out, Eli, let's show them your wand. They gave out these wands to the first 2,000 people that came in, and they were synchronized when they scored a goal and at the beginning of the game when they came out. So if you press the button, it lights up blue on the end.
It makes a noise.
And it makes a noise. So when they scored, everybody's wand lit up. It was actually pretty cool. And they sold out of the special Harry Potter jerseys. They were $50 a pop. So they sold out of those. I don't know how many they had to begin with.
Really?
One thing that I will say is a little disappointing.
First of all, I have the real one that Eli has.
That's right. You have the real one. That is right. One thing that is disappointing is the fact that, if you guys don't know, the Huntsville Havoc have won the championship the last 2 years in a row, 2018 and 2019. They on the road to win number 3 this year. And the arena looking kind of thin. I don't understand why there's not more people at the game. I don't understand. It has the baseball hype taken that much of the people away from hockey? I don't know. We're going to have to come back because that was pretty fun.
Hey, can we come back Friday?
Nope.